So hi everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can play an audio using JavaScript. So let's get started. Here I have already implemented on audio. Let's first see our demo. Okay. So this was a normal page. Let's just design from scratch. I'm taking an Java HTML file. Here I'm taking a script tag. For playing video audio using JavaScript, you have to instance an audio object. So audio is equal to new audio, and here you have to audio pass the src audio.src is equal to in parsing. I have some audio or mp3 files in the files folder, so I'm passing the file path file slash audio.mp3. Okay, and let's hit a button so that we can play audio. And I'm going to take up this. I am attaching this function. Let's convert this into a function. It's function play audio. Let's format it. I'm passing this function to here. And now when pick up this, I have just show audio dot play. Right. I have to play the audio and take this. If I click there, audio started playing. Now let's create another button to pause the audio. Pause audio. Let's add some styling as well. Here for the button, adding 20 pixel and 40 so background dot bottom. So make it color white. One font says let's give it 90 pixel. Let's check. Only the play audio is being plugged. On click of this pause audio, I have to play this audio. Okay. So what I will do for better for optimization purpose, we can just make it outside. We can just declare the audio outside so that we can easily pause audio. Here I'm creating a function for pausing the audio, pause audio. And here what I will do, audio dot pause. Now if you click here, I have to just bind this function here as well, pause audio. Now if I play this, audio is being played. When I click this, audio will be closed. Okay. Play, pause, play, pause. Now let's see if you have to forward if you want to just play audio after the second from 10 second. Let's say audio duration is from 0 second to 70 second, and you want to start the audio from 10 second. So for that, what you will do, let's create another function. Start from 10. So here audio dot current time will be 10 second. Okay. Audio dot current time will be 10 second, and then I have to play the audio. Let's create another button, and here I have to pass this function play from 10. length from 10 seconds. Now if I click from here, you can see this, it will not start from the starting, but it will play from 10 seconds. You can see the difference is starting from 0. It is starting from the 10 second. For different audios, you can just search the audio and the three. You can get multiple songs here. And from here, you can download any audio and you can use tests. Yes, for example, I want to download this. So, name is audio 2. And let's keep this in our folder. I'm going to, I have this folder into design, get it, and into files, so to store this here, audio 2. If I change this file, audio 2.mp3, audio 2.mp3, right? If I play this, you can see the audio is playing and it's being paused also. If I play after the 10 seconds, this is also working. Okay. And there are multiple methods you can just get. If I console this audio, console.log audio, you can see the multiple methods there. So you can see the multiple methods there. For duration, you can just get as this is object, you can get any property using dot. So audio dot duration can get this one total second total time of the audio, and you can also check whether the audio has ended or not. So in this way, you can just play with the audio object and use in your project. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. We'll see in the